This podcast is brought to you by HEC Paris.
The second HEC Finance and Statistics Conference. We have an exciting day, I think, ahead of us. We're blessed with very nice weather today in Paris. Without further ado, Véronique Mallet, our Dean for Faculty and Research, will give the welcome address. Véronique.
Dear participants, dear colleagues, it's my pleasure to welcome you today for the second Finance and Statistics Conference in Paris. I'm not at all pretending to reach the level of this audience in maths, but at least I can say without any doubt that the number 2 is the beginning of a continuity, of a tradition, and I would be very happy if this recurrent October meeting could be the opportunity for professors who share common interest in research could discuss specific topics together, if this event could become a reference for those working at the frontier between statistics and financial econometrics. As a researcher, I know that what we call small conferences are very useful for the community because it's the right place to receive valuable feedback on papers, have passionate discussions, and it's important to keep these small conferences alive beneath the big ones. But HEC is also, HEC has a steady and strong research policy, and all the initiatives of the faculty which participate to this effort are encouraged, supported by the Executive Committee and by the HEC Foundation. But HEC is also a business school which is in close connection with the business world. And I would like to draw your attention on the potential application of the research which will be presented here. The final objectives of most of the tools you will be studying is to improve the risk models which are currently used by the financial institutions. The events that our economic world faces show how necessary the reliability of the risk evaluation is. Thank you then to Laurent and Veronica for taking from their time to organize this conference. I would like also to thank all the participants who joined us today, and more specifically those who will take an active part to the conference by presenting papers, by discussing a paper, or also by chairing a session, which is also a service. It's nice also to see that some participants, like Professor Phillips, have had a long-term relationship with our professors, and it's nice to see that others, like Professor Siegel, will stay with us during a few weeks at HEC, allowing new cooperations among researchers to be developed. From my point of view, even in our virtual and fast-changing world, proximity among researchers and the fact of taking time to know each other are still key success factors to produce high-quality work. And looking at the program of the conference, I'm convinced that you will be doing high-quality work today. I wish you a fruitful conference and an excellent stay in Paris. Thank you.
Please visit us at www.hec.edu.